Is Vizio SmartCast good? Let's evaluate its performance. Vizio's SmartCast platform is a solid choice for streaming and smart TV functionality, offering access to popular apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and more. It also supports screen mirroring from your smartphone or other devices, making it convenient for sharing content. Additionally, SmartCast integrates with voice assistants like Google Assistant and Alexa, adding flexibility for hands-free control. However, compared to platforms like Android TV or Samsung's Tizen OS, SmartCast may feel more limited in terms of app variety and customization options. Some users have noted occasional bugs or slower performance, but updates often address these issues. Overall, SmartCast provides a simple and budget-friendly smart TV experience, making it a good option for casual viewers who prioritize affordability and ease of use. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.